Hello all, welcome back. Today I'm going to bring you a different type of video. Normally I would highlight the car models I have, but today I'm actually driving M850i Grand Coupe. Oh. Okay, hard acceleration in sports mode. It is snowing, so I'm not going to be too hard, but here we go. Whoa! We're going to do, here goes another hard acceleration from 60 miles an hour. Whoa! Just lifts up. And all slowing down. So this is a hard acceleration of 50 miles an hour. Whoa! Lovely. Let's have eco mode. Okay, now have the comfort mode. And now sports plus mode. We can do 60 miles an hour, and here we go. And this is sports mode. There we go, and that's 60 already. So we're looking at seconds, and it's 60, and it just wants to go. It's so lively and it's exciting, and it just gives you sheer confidence.